not. All my sadness banished, it's madness, it's vanished and never coming back. My face to the floor, heart racing no more. These lungs I adore have rocked to the core. In my last week and swallow, my heart becomes hollow as the lens in my mind become fallow. Into the silence I hold dear. The breeze, the breath of God is still and casts my cold and frozen thrill. Soft and broken, my body free falls through shattered glass in haunting halls. All my thoughts turn into arts. Could have been, should have been, whether I'm free or not. All my sadness banished, it's madness, it's vanished and never coming back. My face to the floor, heart racing no more. These lungs I adore have rocked to the core. In my last week and swallow, my heart becomes hollow as the lens in my mind come follow. Comfort to you, ain't got nothing to do with where you are, or where you've been, or where you're going. Comfort to you has got something to do with who you are, and how you've loved, and how you've pain, and how you've sorrow. Until you know that who you are ain't too far from the truth. So walk on down that avenue to desolate and dangerous truth, where comfort cries and captured calm, past beyond its
have a lot of things I want to talk about in this video. So this is my first real large-scale sculpture I've done, and I want to give a special thanks to my friend Kevin Caron, C-A-R-O-N. He has a YouTube channel, and he's a full-time sculptographer, and he gave me a few tips and pointers with regard to building this thing. So it's quite a bit different from normal metal fabrication. If you've never really thought in kind of this abstract, curvy way, it's a lot different. But I enjoyed the process, and I plan on doing more in the future. I'm going to put a link in the corner that'll take you to a page that has all the tools and products that I used to build this, if that's something you're interested in. Also, I want to thank Lincoln Electric for sponsoring this video, Sculpt Nouveau, who provided the products that I used for the metal finish and the patina on this, and ISO Tunes as well. I found these guys a couple months ago, and they have, if you see those little magnetic Bluetooth hearing protection earbuds, it's a lot of words, that I use. They're incredible. I never have to look for them. I can keep them around my neck. I'll have a link to that on that page as well, if that's something that you guys are interested in. And last but not least, my Patreon supporters. I appreciate every single one of you. You guys certainly help make this a viable career for me. If you guys want to support me, please check out my Patreon page or my website, ZH Fabrications. I have t-shirts and some other stuff for sale there as well. I also just created a closed Facebook group. It's called ZH Fabrications Maker Group. If you find it on Facebook, send me a message and I'll add you to it. The idea is, well, I get so many emails of people sending me pictures of projects they've made that they've replicated, and that's always great to see. I get a lot of questions. I really want to create a page that's not just about me, but it's about you guys, where you can ask me questions, share your work, all that sort of thing. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, so look that up, ZH Fabrications Maker Group. Send me a request and I'll make sure to get you invited. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.